Bro, this shit smells so bad. Oh my god, I look like an egg. I better look like a whole reborn person after this. So jumping right into this little detox mask, you're first going to need a bowl. It can be glass or plastic, just not metal. Then you're going to need some apple cider vinegar. I just used this organic, raw, unfiltered one by Bragg. Then, of course, you are going to need a spoon. You want to make sure, again, that it is not metal. I'll tell you why later. And then, of course, you're going to need your Bentonite healing clay. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm first just going to take the spoon and dip it into my clay. The reason why you don't want to use metal is because the metal can interfere with the benefits of the clay. So you want to have a plastic or a wooden spoon or a glass spoon. Then you want to go ahead and pour some apple cider vinegar in. I really just play it by eye. I really don't do measurements or anything. I just keep adding it until the mask gets to a decent consistency. It gets really, really easy to stir the more apple cider vinegar you add. And just FYI, this stuff does not smell good at all. But you kind of get used to it. So now you can see I'm starting off on dry, dirty, crusty, nasty, ugly hair. And I'm also just starting on freshly cleansed skin. So I started off just applying the mask directly to my skin. It has so many great benefits for your skin. The bentonite clay is a very powerful detoxer that actually forms an electrical charge that attracts toxins, chemicals, and impurities out of your skin. It also helps to heal your skin and increase blood circulation, which will help your skin be nice and clear and radiant. And of course, apple cider vinegar helps to restore the pH levels in your skin while also toning your skin, tightening your pores, and gently exfoliating, which makes it great for dark spots. I really feel like anyone with any skin type could benefit from this mask. But it's not only great for your skin, it's also great for your hair. So I'm taking a huge glob of it and applying it directly to my hair. And some of the benefits that you will get from applying this to your hair include the bentonite clay removing product buildup and drawing out toxins the same way it does to your skin, heavy metals, chemicals, and impurities. It also adds shine to your hair, softness, and lots of definition to your curls. The apple cider vinegar helps to ease any itching that you may have from dandruff or other scalp problems. It helps to improve the shininess of your hair, and it also helps to increase moisture retention. One thing I actually didn't know also about apple cider vinegar to your hair is that it can also help to correct hair porosity issues, which makes it amazing for color-treated hair, heat-styled hair, damaged hair. Using this mask regularly will definitely keep your hair in tip-top shape, but you can also see immediate results after the first use, which is really cool. So I just went ahead and set a timer on my phone for 30 minutes. And I let this marinate, do its thing. And then once those 30 minutes were up, you can see that it hardens on your skin. It looks very, what's the word? I don't even know, like Frankensteinish. Once it dries, it makes you look so crusty and it feels like a rock, but it will feel so good. You can feel the blood circulating in your hair, in your scalp, and on your skin. Just because this can get kind of messy, I went ahead and just rinsed this out in the shower. And as you can see, even when the water started to hit it, it still felt hard as a rock. So initially, you may have some problems rinsing it out, but I would just suggest rinsing it out with warm water, if not almost hot water, just to help loosen up the mask a little bit so it's easier to rinse out. So that's pretty much it. I just keep rinsing until the mask is removed completely from my skin and from my hair. And when I say it just feels so good overall doing this mask together on your hair and your skin, you really do feel rejuvenated. You can see my curls are popping. This is no product at all. And my skin also just looks so fresh. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Those really help me out. And hopefully I'll see you guys all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.